Hello everybody, this is King Tut here and welcome to another Java tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you guys Boolean variable. So a Boolean variable is a variable that stores true and false. And as simple as it is, it's so powerful in terms of making use of Boolean variable in different applications, especially game dev. In game dev, one of the application in game dev is when you try to control a player, when you try to keep the window up, um, that's where you need to use a Boolean variable. So in order to keep the window up, you need to use a Boolean variable and one kind of loop, which I'm going to be teaching you two kinds of loops in the next two videos. So how do you even declare a Boolean variable? Well, it's pretty simple. Put Boolean, and then let's just put var, and let's make it true. And that's pretty much it. And if you print out the Boolean variable, it's just going to return true. Or if you put false, it's going to return false. So let's put system that out that print line. Let's just put system, and that's pretty much it. Var, not car. Var, and let's just run this program. And it returns true, as we expected. Let's make it false. And if we print it out, let's see. And there you go. It prints out false. So let's do a practical application for it. Let me think of a practical application. So let's just say it is a how about a math problem? There you go. So let's do system that out that print line 2 plus 2 equal, and then we're just gonna use all the things that we actually learned about. And as you see here, the scanner has already been imported, so we're going to be making use of the input functionality. So if you want to know how to do it, just watch the tutorial on scanner, which is on BitChute and BitTube. Scanner input, and then new scanner. And then input, and then equal, oh, whoops, string answer. The next line. There you go. And then let's do an if else statement. If answer equals 2, that out, that actually, no, what am I thinking? Put in Boolean is correct, true, and then let's put is correct equals true. And then let's put else is correct equals false. And then let's do another if-else statement. If is correct, and usually we do equal sign. So in this case, for this Boolean variable, we do not put the equal sign. It's already assumed it's true. So we just leave it like that. If is correct, system that out, that print line, correct, congrats. Actually followed by 2 exclamation points, because I like 2 exclamation points. Else, system that out, the print line, sorry, this is the wrong answer. And 2 exclamation points, just to make you guys feel better if you got the wrong answer. All right, so let's run this program. Let's test it to see if it works. All right, so just ignore the top part. This is this block of code right here. We're just gonna worry about the practical application, which is the 2 plus 2 sign. So 2 plus 2 equals 4, and seems like it's not working like I expected to. I wonder what's wrong with that. If answer, oh, that's why. So with strings here, it's a bit interesting. I'm not sure if I actually taught this in the variable section of the Java tutorial, but to do a conditional statement where you do like the equal sign, equal sign, you put answer dot equals, and then you put in inside that parentheses. So let's just put 2 here, and then let's run this program. So it's a food for thought. So you don't use equal when you're doing a string. It's Java is a bit interesting in its own conditional statement when it comes to strings. But as for Boolean variables, it's pretty universal. So let's put 4, and still I get, it's interesting. Usually, if I put 2 here, let's run here. Four, still it gets me interesting. Maybe I might need to do that. True equals true. Let's do that. Four. Guess not. Equals true. Let's put int. Let's just change it to int. And let's put answer equal 2. And let's see this actually works. Let's just put 4. And I still get the still get the same result. Oh, that's why. That's why. 2 plus 2 isn't 2. So let's just undo a lot. Yeah, I bet you guys are screaming in the comments telling me it's 4. It's 4. It's 4. uh, let's see if I actually. So let's put next line. Let's do that. And let's just put answer equal 4. So that might be why. Hopefully this. Wait, what? What's going on? Oh, that's why. What is wrong with me? Don't need to answer that question. Okay, so it actually works. It actually works like it's supposed to do. Or wait. Oh, that's why. Did I forgot to put the quotation mark? Or we're gonna try the first one first. And then hopefully. Okay. Let's put 4 here. Okay, so let's equal 4. Two plus 2 equals 4. There you go. Yeah, you see? After all of this fixing and all that, I managed to get it working the right way. So when you put 4, it gets you correct. Congrats, like we expected. So the lesson here is to, when you're using a string and you're using it into making use of the string in an if statement, put dot equals, and then if you're doing 2 plus 2, it's not 2. Put 4 on it, okay? Make sure it's the correct answer in the if statement, so that way you don't go nuts about it. All right, so let's run it again. Let's put in 2. And yeah, since it's the wrong answer, it's going to tell you, sorry, this is the wrong answer. So it works. And let's do what I intentionally showed you to do, the correct way of doing it. Let's make sure everything is all working. All right, so this is the correct way of doing it when you're using a Boolean variable in an if statement. Do not put double equal, okay? So what if we want to put an if statement that if this one is not true, if is correct Boolean variable is not true? So we just basically put an exclamation point here, and we just swap out this with this. So as in the previous video, if you watched it, the exclamation point is a not symbol. So let's run this again. And let's put 4 here. Tells me correct. And then let's put 2 here. And since this is the wrong answer, it tells me, sorry, this is the wrong answer. So there you go. A very simple variable, but very powerful in its use. And I hope you guys make use of the Boolean variable in whatever applications you're doing. So thank you so much for watching. And if you really like this video, please smash that like button on BitChute and BitTube. And also, if you want to follow up on my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And let me know in the comments of what do you think of my videos. I'll talk to you again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.